Alright, y'all, K Money Cuts, you feel me? I'm finna drop an easy, high taper, natural tutorial, you feel me? If I wanna learn how to cut hair, do anything, I can go watch this video right here. Alright, I'm gonna show y'all only one side, just to keep the video short, but I'm gonna just show y'all the whole cut afterwards, you feel me? First, I'm gonna debug with a 2-guard. Not taking a lot off, but you feel me, just still cleaning it up. Still keeping it dark because we is keeping taper natural. We're not adding no enhancements. Alright, for me, I like to outline my work before I taper, so I'm gonna line up this vertical bar right here. Just tapping. After I outline all my work, I'm gonna set my guideline in backwards. Don't set your guideline in like this, because the line gonna be harder to take out. So you're gonna lift the trimmer, or you can do a clipper, either or. Just clean up everything. How I do my high tapers, I do it like a little burst, and you're gonna see why when I'm lining him up. You want to use a forest shaver, you can. You don't got to, but you know, it's just, I've been cutting for a minute, so I just got it. Now I begin to taper, but before I taper, this is called the rake method. I do this to make sure everything is really going in one direction, everything low-key laid down. You feel me? Just helping me taper. So I first, boom, open. This is open, halfway, close. We're gonna start open. Boom. Halfway. Close. Boom. We're using our 1-guard, gammas, magnets, 1-guard, same steps. Halfway. And you don't gotta brush every time you feel me doing this. Close. Now I'm gonna take my 2-guard, halfway, and I'm gonna debug some more. When we first debug, we did a 2 open. So now I'm closing it. Make sure everything's still flowing. Now I'm gonna take my 1.5 guard and do the same thing I did with the 2 guard. I'm gonna go halfway though. Boom. Just keep debugging. Now close. Now you can brush for real. Now I'm gonna open my 1.5 and I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna just flip the clipper. I'm gonna start fading more. Now I'm gonna take my 0-guard from Stylecraft and I'm gonna tuck this line right here. Right here. Halfway. Like I said, you ain't gotta keep brushing. You don't gotta do that. So if I help you taper, you can. I'm a brush. This line right here, soften it up. Close now. Now I'm gonna use my half guard from Gamma. All magnets, so nothing preventing full enough. You feel me? We're gonna go open, finishing this line right here. Alright, tucking that. Halfway now. Brush. Close. Now this is time where I detail. You feel me? No guard, just really freehand. I'm going back to the rake method. Always start there. And now we just really spin apart stuff like boom right here. That's not coming out. Halfway. Still not coming out. Close it. Back open. Get all this little stuff out. One notch. Boom. Really just freehand. Close. Boom. Flip it again. Just rake. It's all about your preference. Boom. Here. Just for you. Alright, now we to the lining prep, y'all. As we can see, taper is detailed. You see how dark this part is and this part is. Natural taper hairline. You feel me? This is all you need for your lineup prep. It's all you need. I swear, you don't need nothing else. So, put alcohol on the tissue. And just literally, boom. This is all you need. This is all you need. Alcohol to taper area. All the stuff you cut down. This is literally all y'all need. Boom. That's simple. Everything is clean. Once you're done doing that, boom. Simple, just air dry it. The surface is clean. After you do that, holding spray. Tresemme holding spray. Boom. I got this so it won't get on my client face. It's dirty, but you feel me? I can hear. Boom. Boom. That's all y'all doing. Simple as that. Y'all know what y'all doing right after that? Back with the brush. Boom. Simple as that. And that's my lining prep right here. Now it's time for the lineup. I remember I said my client wanted white chalk. I'm not gonna draw it on. It's an easy hack that you could put chalk, light brown, dark, any type chalk. You wear gloves and just literally put it on your hand. That's all you doing. That's all you doing. Make sure the whole blade, all that. Now watch this. Look at this. Do this not look better than you drawing it on? Okay. Boom. Now just keep it going. Boom. Boom. Now we to the vertical bar. I'll skip this part. I'll go to the vertical bar. We still keeping it dark, so I'll say about like right here. Boom. Perfect. Over here. Boom. Boom. Corner right there. Boom. And it's that simple, yo. Boom. Crispy. Look at this. Look at this. As y'all can see, I added the white chalk. You feel me? We done with the taper. See how crispy this is, but I don't like how bulky it look. I don't like how bright it look. So I'm gonna add what I call oil sheen, or as y'all can see, y'all can screenshot this, anything, and just spray it. You don't gotta spray a lot, just spray it. This is really like breaking up the chalk, all that. After you do that, I like to go back in with my holding spray. Okay. Third step, line it back up. Lining it right back up, y'all. Boom. Line it right back up. Man, that looks already much better. So go in the middle. Boom. Look at that. Look at that. That is crispy, dog. And this is what I end my cutoff with. Razor. These are blades I use right here. I use Derby blades. It'll be $5.99. It's even cheaper now, but I blade. Boom. Y'all really gonna see how easy this, how nice this look. Watch. This is nasty, dog. Look at this. Y'all see how, look at this. This is a natural haircut. It's crazy. Look how, come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. This is nasty. Gosh. Alright, y'all. Here's my natural high taper tutorial video with white chalk added. As y'all can see, again, it's very blurry. The neckline coming up from all the way up here is dark. This is dark up here. You can turn from this side. Same results. Dark, dark. It's a natural taper, so you don't want to erase your vertical bar and add enhancements on. That's why we got to keep it dark. But as y'all can see, crispy. I appreciate y'all for watching. Let's get it.